Good morning, everyone. So, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you are being safe and
not leaving the house.
But anyway, since we are all stuck in our houses, our homes, our places of comfort, cooking is a very good way to spend the time. Everybody loves to eat and cooking is fun. So here's our first recipe in this channel. It's gonna be a ceviche, a flounder ceviche. Flounder, soulfish, whatever. So yeah, that's the recipe. We're gonna need some lemons, red onions, coriander, salt and pepper. A sharp knife is also important. Now dice a few onions. And also slice them like this. I'm using 2 flounder fillets, and be sure to freeze them first to get rid of any bacteria or parasites or anything like that. Cut them in squares, and remember, when cutting fish, it's important to not run the knife back and forth. Single cuts, y'all, single cuts. I like more chunky pieces, but you can cut as big or as small as you like. More onions because Shrek's love. My bowl was a little too small, so I got a bigger one. As for the seasoning, real simple, just salt and pepper here. Give a good shake. Oh man, the smell, it's amazing. Now let's cook this thing. Grab a few fresh lemons and squeeze the juice on the fish. The acid in the lemon juice is gonna start breaking down the proteins in the fish, so that's why it looks like it's cooking. Make sure to fully submerge the fish in the lemon juice, and how long you want to leave the fish in the marinade is completely up to you. As a starting point, I'm gonna leave mine in fridge for around 10 to 15 minutes and check how the meat looks and feels. Almost perfect. You can already see it started to get white, and I tried some and I felt like I was missing some sugar, so add sugar to the list. Right before serving, cut the coriander leaves and mix it with the ceviche. It's important to leave the coriander last because it keeps it fresh and that kind of stuff. And there you go. I'm just gonna use this coriander stem as a little garnish, and it's ready to eat. Oh man, it's so good. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more cooking videos and that kind of stuff, leave a comment down here. And I'm gonna eat this now, so bye-bye.